She let one crawl on me tonight and come up right up on me. I was out feeding the rabbits before bed. Pretty. These things are cool. I'm not obsessed with them, but man, these things are neat. Walking stick. See them a lot out here this time of year out in the woods. In the mountains here, we live right. You see a lot of praying mantises too. She's crawling right up on the camera, right up on the phone. Walking sticks, praying mantis. A lot of walking sticks though, especially this year, or this time of year, August, September. These things are neat, man. I don't know, there's something about them. Always been fascinated with them. A lot of cool shit in nature if you just, take some time and look. And go let this guy go. He's crawling right up on the... Alright, buddy, we'll let you go. Walking sticks, really cool.